Hello students, today I am going to show you sum number 13 from SN book, and chapter is multiple angle exercise 11. In question they have given you have to prove that if x tan a plus y cot a into x cot a plus y tan a equal to x plus y whole square plus xy cot square 2a. So solution I am going to show you. So first we will write this expression x tan a plus y cot a into x cot a plus y tan a. So first what to do, this is I am considering this expression in left hand side. So now first what to do, we will start multiplying x tan a with x cot a plus y tan a. So here I am writing x tan a into x cot a, that is x square tan a into cot a plus x tan a into y tan a xy tan square a plus y cot a into x cot a xy cot square a plus y cot a into y cot a into y tan a, so y square cot a into tan a. Now next what to do, so x square tan a into, we can write cot a as 1 by tan a plus xy tan square a plus, we can write xy cot square a plus y square into cot a, we can write 1 by tan a into tan a, we can write. Here I am showing you cot a equal to 1 by tan a, we know this formula. So tan a will be cancelled, tan a will be cancelled. So here we can write x square plus, here we will get y square plus, now from these two terms we will take xy as common. So after taking common we will get tan square a plus cot square a. So now next what to do, x square plus y square plus xy sin square a by cos square a. As tan square a we can write sin square a plus cos square a, by cot square a we can write cos square a by sin square a. Similarly x square plus y square plus xy, first we will do LCM, that is cos square a into sin square a, and now sin square into sin square we will get sin 4a plus cos square into cos square cos 4a we will get. Now next what to do, x square plus y square plus xy. So now we will put it in a square plus b square formula. So now here we can write cos square a minus sin square a whole square plus 2 cos square a into sin square a divided by cos square a into sin square a, we can write. Now next step we will follow x square plus y square plus xy separation rule we will write. So now cos square a minus sin square a whole square by cos square a into sin square a plus 2 cos square a into sin square a by cos square a into sin square a. We have applied here separation rule. So cos square a sin square a will be cancelled. Now x square plus y square plus, now we will multiply xy with these two expressions. So we will get xy cos square a minus sin square a whole square by cos square a into sin square a plus 2 into xy, we will get 2xy. Now we will put these 2xy inside this expression. So here x square plus 2xy plus y square we can write, plus here we will multiply numerator and denominator by 4. So then multiplying by 4 we will get 4xy cos square a minus sin square a whole square by 4 cos square a into sin square a. Now x square plus 2xy plus y square we can write x plus y whole square plus now 4xy into cos square a minus sin square a. We can write this term, we can write cos square a minus sin square a equal to, we know, cos 2a. This is the formula of cos 2a. So here I am putting cos 2a whole square. Similarly here we can write, that is 2 sin a into cos a whole square. Now here x plus y whole square plus we can write 4xy into cos square 2a by sin square 2a as 2 sin theta into cos theta equal to sin 2 theta, we know. So now x plus y whole square plus 4xy into cos square 2a by sin square 2a. So cos by sin, we know, cot square 2a equal to RHS, hence proved. Okay, so students, that is all for today. So in this way we can solve this problem. Thank you.